ikaw lang sasabihin ko. Hindi din ako nakapag-ano dito, gawa ng script pero hindi naman siguro ganun yan, no? Juliana Venus, siya nga pala yung saksi ng lahat ng pangyayari sa akin mula 2018. She's actually a fan back in 2018 and then naging girlfriend ko siya and we've been together for like half a year already. And marami kayong maririnig na bashes para sa mga tunay kong kaibigan na nakasaksi ng, alam mo yun, not to mention, but like my previous relationship, tons of people did not like it and I always think that I'm not always in the right, but I'm always willing to correct my mistakes. And yun nga, I was lost in the process. One of my friends is aware of it, and thank God na it's amazing how God has given me the right person this time who changed my path and my perspective in life. And for that, I am grateful. And Juliana, I love you so much. And I love you. Yeah, I love you. Hindi ako iiyak. Hindi. Maangas ako eh. Yung walang iiyak pag maangas. Dahil Juliana, alam ko maraming tao pa dito sa mundo na hindi talaga open pa rin sa yung mga tulad natin within the community, LGBT. Pero marami dito na alam kong willing supportan tayo, kaya sila yung inimbit ako other than watching the music video. Kasi if without you, this wouldn't be possible. And you know, God knows every single thing we've been through. We've been through hell, we've been through heavens, and yeah, we've been through in-betweens, and regardless of all that, thank you. And I love you. And nangangatog kasi ako eh. Hindi ko alam eh. But anyways, nagpaalam ako kay tita saka kay tito. Currently wala dito si tito, pero alam ng mommy at daddy as well. So, wait lang. Hindi, seryoso na. Hindi kasi, wait. marami kasing nasa, paano ba ito sabihin? Hindi, ito na, huy, Ayun, so, nagpaalam din ako sa text. Sabi ko, okay lang ba na gawin to? But anyway, Julian, oo nga, seryoso ko. Maayo ata eh. Juliana Venus, Troyo Kaubig. Oo nga, seryoso nga. Nahiya pa eh. Ano yan? Ba't ginagawa? May tanong. Will you be my wife? Anyways, ibababa ko na siya. Pa-assist naman kay fiancé. Hindi na joke. Fiancé na. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na dito ko siya gagawin. Pero Mama! Sabi ni tita, Diyos ko po, ang anak ko mahihiwalay na sa bahay. Anyways, paano ba pwede natin gawin? Kasi we're about to end this whole thing, so